How do you make Herbalife cookies and cream shake? What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year! This is Jean here from Authentic Energy, your personal wellness and body confidence coach. If you like healthy lifestyle tips and simple and fun ways to get fit, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. Now, a lot of you have been asking me, how do I make the Herbalife cookies and cream shake? And you know what? The cookies and cream flavor is actually the most popular Herbalife Formula 1 meal replacement shake flavor. Boom, boom! Doesn't matter what country you're from, I bet ya you have the cookies and cream flavor on your catalog.
Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like what you're learning here, you're gonna love the Authentic Energy Online Fit Club. As a Fit Club member, you will get weekly live workout with me, your weekly live nutrition coaching, wellness evaluation, a transformation guide, a private Facebook group, and your weekly recipes and healthy tips. So just click the link below and be part of an exciting and new community that is going to transform your health and change your life. So grab your membership today. Now, back to the video.
Okay, now I'm gonna show you a new cookies and cream shake recipe that is different to the one that I showed you back in 2015. You can watch the video up here if you haven't already. This one is actually gonna blow your mind because it's so simple, and all you need is basically your cookies and cream, your mix, okay, and some soy milk, unsweetened soy milk, and your avocado. Okay, I'll show you how exactly we're gonna do it, and it's gonna be so quick. You need less than a minute to have your shake ready. Okay, so let's get into it. So there is our avocado, the shake companion for today, our main ingredient for the shake. And you can see that most of us get our avocado from the supermarket in this size, right? I call it the average size. Some of you call it the large size. But just remember, we're not using the entire avocado because it is quite dense and it is quite a lot of calories. And I mean, it's very nutritious, but it's very thick if you use the entire avocado. So what I do is I cut it into half. Ooh, this is like perfect avocado. And what I usually do is I advise everybody to use just a quarter of the average large size avocado. Some of you who may not like it so thick, you may want to even just use less of that, maybe 1/3 or even half of this. But for me, I usually like to use just a quarter of the average Hass. I think it's called the Hass avocado, right? Okay, so we're gonna put it in our blender and we're gonna pour it out. Usually, like I said in my other videos, you have to pour in your liquid base first, right? But today the avocado just can't wait to jump in there. So there's our unsweetened soy milk. Okay, so guys, just one thing to remember, because avocado makes your shake really thick, so you may want to use a little bit more liquid. So I've just gone to add a little bit more soy milk, and now I have about 400 ml of soy milk in the blender. Okay, so it really depends on how you like the thickness to be. Some of you like it like super thick, like almost like ice cream consistency. Then maybe 300 ml, 250 ml of your liquid base is enough. Okay, so but from my experience, I like it just right, like thick but not too thick. So 400 ml of the liquid base is actually perfect. Okay, for a quarter of the avocado. Remember, it's 1/4 of it. Don't use all of it. If you do want to use all of it, oh my god, it's gonna be a very heavy meal. Okay, and then you go ahead and grab your cookies and cream shake. And remember everybody, don't be stingy. You need 2 heaping scoops of your shake mix. Okay, because you want to get all that goodies, the nutrient goodies in there. Right, so look at that, 2 heaping scoops, 2 of them. Okay, remember that. And then we're ready to blend. Alright, let's see. How is our cookies and cream avocado shake for 2021? Let's see what it looks like. Oh my god, this is like ice cream. Oh, see? With 400 ml of liquid, my soy milk, you get this kind of consistency, right? So can you imagine if some of you like it even thicker? like actual ice cream consistency. You just need to add less liquid base. So this is what I got here. It's like your genuine thick shake, like the stuff that you get from the stores, but you're making it way healthier and way less calories and way cheaper at home. So there is, let me pour it out so you guys can see it properly. You can still see the cookie bits, and also it's enhanced by the avocado. So that's what it looks like when you pour it out. Oh my God, this is so amazing. For those of you who really love dessert, cookies and cream meal replacement shake is gonna change your life. And when you do it with avocado, oh my God, they're like the perfect couple. Cookies and cream and avocado together, it tastes amazing. Go try it. Okay, now here is the simple cookies and cream shake recipe for you guys. Now, I want to show you guys a few recipe options you can do that you can experiment for your cookies and cream. Okay, so apart from the avocado recipe, you can also try a few different options which go really well with the cookies and cream shake. Okay, so let me show you. You can also blend your cookies and cream shake with bananas, berries, spinach, and beans, especially red beans and black beans. Yes, you heard it right. They go really well and very healthy for you. So I would like you guys to go ahead and try blending your cookies and cream with these options, or try with avocado. That is one of my favorite. Okay, and apart from these options, you can also try just simply blending, mixing up your different F1 shake flavors. So what I really like to do is mixing the cookies and cream with chocolate. Yes, this is gonna be your favorite for 2021. And of course, you know, you may be asking me, how about other ones? Okay, so chocolate and cookies and cream is the best combo, okay? And those of you who are definitely trying to gain lean muscle mass, and those of you who are working on weight loss, I highly recommend you to mix your F1 cookies and cream with your protein, your personalized protein powder or protein drink mix, okay? So combine them together to make your shake even more amazing and protein balanced. We also, in Canada, we also have this flavor called banana caramel. Okay, so I think that's something, those of you who really love something sweet, you can do banana caramel and cookies and cream. Okay, so that actually goes quite well. Berries, yeah, they're okay, but actually generally I really love cookies and cream with chocolate together. Okay, so this is another option. And lastly, before I go, I do want to tell you guys, don't forget that you can also make waffles or pancakes with your cookies and cream shake. Okay, so this is something that you can experiment. If you're sick of drinking shakes and smoothies all the time, then of course you want something to chew on, right? You can definitely use the cookies and cream mix to make your pancakes, your healthy pancakes, and also your healthy waffles. Okay, if you need a recipe for the waffle, you can check out my video up here. I made a really amazing waffle. It's very easy for you guys, so you can check it out and try it for yourself. All right, thank you everybody for watching today's episode, and I hope you all have, got a lot of values out of this video, and you have a great start to your 2021. Let's start 2021 with a healthy lifestyle, shall we? So if you like this video, please share, comment, and also give us a thumbs up. And of course, remember, if you're new to the channel, remember to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. I'm here every week to give you guys the best tips on personal wellness and personal success to help you become healthier, happier, and more confident. Okay, so before you go, make sure you check out my Authentic Energy Fit Club membership, because we're running a special right now. This is the new year. I would love everybody to start a new year with us inside the Fit Club. We can hang out, work out together, and learn about nutrition and how to keep your body nice and fit. Okay, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.